Wow, I just reduced the size of my video to a smaller size. Yes, without losing the video quality. In this video, I'm going to teach you how I did just that. If you record your video and it's up to 100 megabytes, I can teach you how you can reduce it to 10 megabytes without even losing the video quality. So if you are watching my video for the first time, my name is Okoyemi and I want to welcome you to this channel. In this channel, I drop educational videos, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, for you not to miss my next video, go and click on the subscribe button. So let's get started. So the app that I'm going to use to reduce my video size is what we call Video Panda. Before the end of this video, I'm going to teach you how you can download Video Panda on your phone. Either you are using iOS phone or you are using an Android phone. On my phone, I have Video Panda downloaded already. So if you haven't downloaded it, as I said earlier, go and download it on Play Store. So let me look for it on my phone, Video Panda. This is it. So I click on it. So I have a lot of videos here. I'm going to select the one that has a larger megabyte so as to reduce it to the lowest one. So I think I have a video of 193 megabytes here on my phone. So I click on it. Now, for me to reduce the size without losing the quality, I will have to select the second one, which is medium file. So I click on medium file. Can you see medium file, better quality? You can't even differentiate it with your original video. After clicking on medium file, make sure you click on compress. But before then, hold on, go to your settings, your phone settings. You have to go and set your display light to 30 minutes, because here on Panda, whenever you are compressing your video, your screen must not go off, your phone must not go off, you must not be interrupted with anything like maybe your black light go off. So for you to avoid that, I would like you to go to your phone settings, go and set the display, go and set it to 30 minutes. So let's go to our settings here on my phone. I hope you are following me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe now. So I'm going to my settings now. So click on display and brightness. Then I scroll down to screen timeout. Can you see screen timeout? Now click on screen timeout, then change it to 30 minutes. Change it to 30 minutes, then click on OK. So after the video, you can go back to reset it to the previous minutes that you have it earlier. We did it because of this Video Panda. So we don't want our video to be interrupted. So after doing that, go and click on medium file. Click on medium file. This app has a lot of adverts. You can just ignore it. Click on cancel, then go back and click on compress. Make sure you are clicking on compress. Can you see Panda is squeezing your file already? It's going to compress it. Forget the previous megabyte is 194. So let's see what Panda will convert it into now. So as you can see, we have 2%. I'll be pausing this video now. When it is 100%, I continue, because we have to give it enough time to reach 100%. So once it is compressed successfully, once it's reached 100%, make sure you click on save. That save icon, click on save, then it will be saved to your phone. So if this video is really helpful to you, if you really like this video, make sure you follow me for more tips. Make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you drop your comments under the comment section and let me know the next video you would like me to make just for you. So thank you very much for watching. I would love to see you in my next video. Bye.